Kamusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and cut a dragon fruit. Grab a bowl and fill it up with water. Add some salt. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt and mix it with the water. Now soak the dragon fruit. Make sure you remove any tags. Soak your dragon fruit in the water with salt. Add more water if necessary. You're gonna let it soak for about 30 seconds. Now gently scrub the dragon fruit using your finger. Using a salt water will help remove any dirt that's stuck on the weird part of the dragon fruit. As you can see, the fruit is actually kind of weird shape. And now using a clean water, just run that through the dragon fruit, just like that. And you can see there's the dirt stuck in those tight area of the dragon fruit. Now your dragon fruit is nice and clean. It's time to chop. Chopped or slice or cut both ends of the dragon fruit. Just like that. Now cut it half. And start peeling the skin off the meat. Just like that. It's very easy. There you go. That's just a part from the one that was sliced a while ago, and same as the other ones. There's the other half. Now it's time to slice or chop your dragon fruit. I'm just chopping this into cubes or cutting this into cubes because I'm going to make a mango dragon fruit. I'm gonna also post that video about how I make a mango dragon fruit, which is one of my favorite refresher from Starbucks. So as you can see, I'm just chopping it into cubes. You could slice your dragon fruit whichever or however you want it. Just like that. And do the same with the other half. Just cutting it into cubes. It's so easy. Dragon fruit has a lot of good benefits, so if you want to learn more about dragon fruit, you can Google it, but there's a lot of videos here in YouTube about the benefits of a dragon fruit and how to clean it and how to slice them. Check that out as well. So there you go. This is the quickest and easiest way to clean and chop the dragon fruit. If you like this video, please again give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone for watching Dash of Spices. Until next time, ciao!